Hey, what's up, holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I present with the latest update of dentcoin. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Let's move on and let's see. First of all, we look the latest update of dentcoin, and after that, we look the good news of dentcoin. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this video, so keep watch, never miss this video. That is only 2-minute video, keep watch. My friends, first of all, as you can see here now, the latest price of dentcoin in the market as 0.003827 USD dollar. That is the latest price of dentcoin. On the other side, if we look, the price changes occurs in the dentcoin. Absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is again positive, my friends. So now this time the prices occur in the dentcoin is going positive, but this positive change is for later time. After some passage of time, after 10 minutes, after 5 minutes, the price will again fall down, my friends. Let me show you if it's on the price chart what's going on in this time in the dentcoin. Let me show you, friends. Now at this time the last 1 month price chart is loading. You can see here the price is continuously fast down occurs in the dentcoin from the previous last 1 month. On the 2nd May, 3rd May, 7th May, the prices continuously jumps now. What's the reason behind it? Why the prices continuously jumps now? You know what, my friends, the reason is that the price, a lot of holders want to invest in the new coin. That is why they decide to sell previous coin. Now this time the Shiba token, Kaise token, as the fastest cryptocurrencies, they want to invest in these coin. They decide to sell, so that is why the price is fast down. And now at this time it is the end of month. That is why the price is fast down, my friends. But now the good news is that my friends, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my prediction of about the dentcoin is that the dentcoin will take a huge pump in the start of new month, in the start of June, my friends. After 2 days, the dentcoin will take a huge pump. Remember that. Mark my words. That is my prediction. That is my opinion about dentcoin. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about dentcoin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.